Apple iPhones have several hidden features and lesser-known capabilities that can enhance your overall experience. These features are not always immediately obvious, but they can improve efficiency, privacy, or fun. Below are some of the most interesting hidden features. 1. Back tap, available on iPhone 8 and newer. You can double or triple tap the back of your iPhone to perform specific actions like taking a screenshot, opening the camera, launching apps, or enabling accessibility features. To use it, go to Settings, then Accessibility, then Touch, and finally Back tap. Configure the actions for double tap and triple tap. 2. Hidden trackpad on the keyboard. You can turn the iPhone's keyboard into a trackpad for more precise cursor control while typing. To use it, press and hold the spacebar on the keyboard, then drag your finger to move the cursor where you need it. 3. Measure objects using AR. The iPhone has an app called Measure which uses the camera and augmented reality to measure objects, people, and distances. To use it, open the Measure app and point the camera at the object or area you want to measure. The app will calculate the dimensions and allow you to save the measurements. Screen recording. iPhones come with a built-in screen recording tool that allows you to record your screen activity, including voiceovers. To use it, go to Settings, then Control Center, and add Screen Recording to your Control Center. Swipe down from the upper right corner if you have an iPhone with Face ID, or up from the bottom if you have an iPhone with Touch ID. Then, just tap the recording icon. Limit app tracking. For increased privacy, you can stop apps from tracking your activity across other apps and websites. To do this, go to Settings, then Privacy and Security, and then Tracking. Toggle the Allow Apps to Request to Track option to off. You can also manage tracking permissions for each app here as well. Create custom vibration patterns. You can create custom vibration patterns for different contacts or notifications, so you can identify who's calling or messaging without looking at your phone. To set this up, go to Settings, then Sounds and Haptics, followed by Ringtone, then Vibration, and finally Create New Vibration. Tap out the desired vibration pattern and you're all set. Wi-Fi password sharing. If a friend needs to join your Wi-Fi, you can quickly share the password without revealing it. When their iPhone is nearby and they try to connect to your Wi-Fi, a pop-up will appear on your iPhone asking if you want to share the password. Tap Share Password to send it automatically. Safari Reader Mode. In Safari, you can simplify web pages to focus on the main content by eliminating ads, images, and other distractions. Tap the AA icon in the address bar of Safari and select Show Reader View. You can also adjust text size and background color. Burst Mode in Camera, also known as Quick Take. You can take multiple photos in rapid succession using Burst Mode, which is helpful for capturing fast-moving subjects. Press and drag the shutter button to the left, or in Landscape Mode, drag it down to capture a burst of photos. LED Flash for alerts. You can enable the LED flash on the back of your iPhone to blink when you receive notifications or calls. To use this feature, go to Settings, then Accessibility, and head over to Audio Visual. There, just toggle LED flash for alerts on. Scan documents with the Notes app. You can scan physical documents using the Notes app without needing any third-party apps. Simply open Notes, create a new note, tap the camera icon, and select Scan Documents. The app will automatically detect the document's edges and scan it. One-handed keyboard mode. If you prefer typing with one hand, you can shift the keyboard to one side of the screen for easier reach. To do this, tap and hold the globe icon or emoji icon on the keyboard, then select the left or right-handed keyboard layout. 13. Quickly switch between apps using 3D Touch or Haptic Touch. You can swiftly move between your open applications by utilizing these gestures. Simply press and hold the left edge of the screen, then swipe to the right to switch between apps. 14. Hide photos in a locked folder with iOS 16 and later. If you have sensitive photos or videos, you can keep them secure in a locked folder that requires Face ID or a passcode to access. To do this, in the Photos app, select the photo or photos, tap the three dots, and select Hide. You can access your hidden photos by going to the Hidden album in the Photos app under Utilities, which is protected by Face ID or your passcode. 15. Find text in photos using live text. Your iPhone can recognize text in photos, allowing you to copy, paste, or search for text directly from an image. To use this feature, open the Photos app, tap on a photo with text, and hold on the text to highlight and copy it. You can also use this feature in the Camera app by pointing the camera at text and selecting the live text icon. 16. Magnifier Mode. Did you know your iPhone can double as a magnifying glass? It's pretty handy using the camera to zoom in on objects or text. To use it, just go to Settings, then Accessibility, and find Magnifier, toggle it on. You can access it through the Control Center or by triple-clicking the side button. 17. iMessage effects. iMessage has some hidden effects that can be triggered by typing specific keywords or by manually selecting effects. For example, type words like congrats or happy birthday to trigger automatic animations. Alternatively, you can press and hold the send button and choose from effects like balloons or lasers. 18. Custom Control Center. You can customize the Control Center to add shortcuts for your most used features like screen recording, low power mode, or the flashlight. To do this, go to Settings, then Control Center, and add or remove options to suit your needs. 19. Sleep timer for music or podcasts. You can set a sleep timer to automatically stop playing music, podcasts, or other audio after a certain amount of time. Just open the Clock app, go to Timer, set the duration, and select Stop Playing under the When Timer Ends option. 20. Siri Shortcuts. Siri Shortcuts allow you to automate tasks or create custom voice commands to perform multi-step actions quickly. To set this up, go to Settings, then Siri and Search, and tap on All Shortcuts to create custom actions. Alternatively, you can download the Shortcuts app for more advanced automation. These hidden features can help enhance productivity, privacy, and your overall iPhone experience. Many of them are customizable to your specific needs and can streamline everyday tasks.